Welcome back to another video tutorial. Once again, welcome to RN Biology YouTube channels. Here we study entire life sciences. RN Biology इस YouTube चैनल पर आप सभी का स्वागत है. If you new on RN Biology YouTube channel, please subscribe, like and share. आप अगर हमारे चैनल पे नए हो तो लाइक करें, शेयर करें एंड सब्सक्राइब करें ताकि हमारे चैनल के ऊपर के नए नोटिफिकेशन आपको आसानी से मिलती जाए. सो फ्रेंड्स, तर मित्रांनो, आज आपण महाराष्ट्र सेट लाईफ सायन्सेस 2021 या पेपरचे आन्सर की पाहणार आहोत, जी 26 सप्टेंबर 2021 रोजी झालेली आहे. तर मित्रांनो, लाईफ सायन्सेस पेपर सेकंड ही आन्सर की आज आपण पाहणार आहोत. यामधले सगळेच आन्सर करेक्ट असतील असं नाही, पण near about 95 answer is correct and there are 2 to 5% answer is possible to wrong. ओके, एक संभाव्य आन्सर की असल्यामुळे त्यातील काहीच आन्सर चुकीचे असतील. नियर अबाउट 95 to 96% इज अ करेक्ट आन्सर. ओके ओके, नाउ यू कॅन स्टार्ट द क्वेश्चन वाइज. ओके, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज which of the following is a correct for sodium potassium ATPase pump? Okay, their correct answer is that option number 4 is the correct answer. Sodium and ATPase bind on the intracellular site while potassium and octane bind on the extracellular site. It is the correct answer of the question number first. Second, question number second, the sequencing of helped investigators conclude that all living things can be classified into 3 domains. Okay, 3 domains classify करण्यासाठी सिस्टीम वापरली जायची ती कशावर डिपेंड असायची. These are depend upon the rRNA system and this classified as a 3 domain system is also known as. Their answer is a C, rRNA. Question number third, mark the correct statement. The active transport molecule move from higher to lower concentrations. B, carrier protein is involved in the both active transport and facilitated diffusions. Energy is consumed to move molecules against to a concentration gradient in the active transport only. And D, in active transport only water molecule are transported with the consuming energy. The correct answer is the option B. Carrier protein is involved in both active transports and facilitated diffusions. Okay, the next question number is 4. Hybrid zone is a region where their correct answer is B, option B. Genetically distinct populations meet and interbreeding to the some extent. These are correct options. Okay, आपण डायरेक्टली करेक्ट आन्सर पाहू काही क्वेश्चन्सचे, म्हणजे आपला वेळ कमी टाईममध्ये आपण मॅक्झिमम आन्सर की पाहायला भेटेल. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज द 5. The sedimentation coefficient increase with option number D is the correct option. Decrease in parietal specific volume is the correct answer. The next question is the question number 6. Peptide antigens assemble with class first MHC added by chaperone molecules, immunoglobulin, T cell receptor, cytokinin. The correct answer is A, chaperone molecules. The next question is 7. Type 2 glycogen storage disease, that is POM disease, is a genetical disorder in which the defective enzymes. ओके, तर कशामुळे हा डिसीज होणार आहे? डिफेक्टिव्ह एन्झाइम्स, अल्फा 1 4 अल्फा 1 6 ब्रांचिंग एन्झाइम्स, अल्फा 1 6 ग्लायकोसाइडेज, सी अल्फा 1 4 ग्लायकोसाइडेज, डी फॉस्फोरिलेज कायनेज. तर 7 क्वेश्चनचा आन्सर ऑप्शन नंबर सी आहे, अल्फा 1 4 ग्लायकोसाइडेज. 8. Which one of the following is an example of the autoimmune disease? Okay, autoimmune disease का example आहे D. Answer is D. Myasthenia gravis. Myasthenia gravis is the answer. Question number 9. Which of the following statement about the leafy regulatory genes in Arabidopsis thaliana is correct? The option number first is a correct. LFY is involved in a floral meristem identify is the correct answer. Question number 10. Binomial nomenclature include name of the plant in a two word and designate. ओके, त्या दोन नावामध्ये काय असणार आहे? टू नेम्स मध्ये जेनेरिक नेम्स अँड स्पेसिफिक epithets. ओके, द आन्सर इज ऑप्शन सी. करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज अ सी. ओके. 11. द कॉजल ऑर्गॅनिझम फॉर द राईस ब्लास्ट डिसीज इज राईस ब्लास्ट डिसीजचा कॉजल ऑर्गॅनिझम काय आहे? मॅग्नापोर्थी ग्रेसिया. मॅग्नापोर्थी ग्रेसिया. एक ओके, असे क्वेश्चन ह्या टाईपचे पार्ट करायचे क्वेश्चन असतात. डायरेक्टली पार्ट केल्याच्या नंतर त्यांचे आन्सर येतात. ओके, सेम क्वेश्चन आहे. द सेंटर ऑफ ओरिजिन ऑफ पोटॅटो इज ऑल्सो पेरू. डी. ऑप्शन डी इज अ करेक्ट, पेरू. ओके, हेलिकोबॅक्टर पायलोरी uses urease to contract a chemical defense in the human organ in which it lives. This chemical defense is lysosomes, hydrochloric acids, superoxide radicals and sebum. Maybe this answer is the superoxide radicals. Okay, question number 14. Which of the following pair of sugar is a non-reducing sugar? Okay, it is a very simple question and the correct answer is the B. Sucrose and trehalose is the non-reducing sugar. Okay, the enzymes involved in the following reaction is amino acid plus ATP plus tRNA gives rise amino acid tRNA plus AMP plus PPI. यासाठी काय रिस्पॉन्सिबल असणार आहे? कोणता ऑप्शन आहे करेक्ट? करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज दॅट बी. Amino acyl tRNA synthetase is the correct answer. Question number 16. The resting membrane potential is determined by. Okay, always resting membrane potential is determined by the potassium gradient. Option number A is the correct. The next question is the 17. When a robin eats a earthworm, the following happens. Okay, robin earthworm ला खाल्याने काय होते? The correct option is the A. Detrital food web can contribute energy to grazing food webs. It is a correct option for the 17. Question number 18. Which of the following is known as the sedimentary cycle because its reservoir is sedimentary rocks? ओके, सेडिमेंटरी सायकल्स कशाला म्हणतात? ज्याने सेडिमेंटरी रॉक्स मध्ये काय रिझर्व असते? फॉस्फरस सायकल. इट इज अगेन सो simple questions. Next 19 questions. Which of the following protein bind to the calcium during the excitations of contraction coupling? Okay, मसल एक्सायटेशन किंवा यामध्ये आपण पाहू शकतो कॅल्शियम कुठे बाइंड होते? मसल्सच्या कोणत्या प्रोटीनवरती? ट्रोपोमायोसिन, ॲक्टिन, मायोसिन. तर कॅल्शियम विच आर बाइंड ऑन द ट्रोपोनिन. तर करेक्ट आन्सर इज द डी, ट्रोपोनिन. 20. Both the substrate A and B must be present at the enzyme active site simultaneously is a characteristic features of single displacement reaction. The correct option is the C, single displacement reactions. 21. Number of nuclear pores depend on the. Okay, nucleus membrane वरती जो का न्यूक्लियर पोर असणार आहे ते किती कशावर डिपेंड असतील? करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज द बी, transcription activity of the cell. 22. How many different linear tripeptide can be made from 3 different L-alpha neutral amino acids using each amino acids only once in the chain? There are correct option is the B, 6. 23. Characteristics of organisms involved in the symbiotic relationships have developed. Symbiotic रिलेशनशिप्स ऑलवेज डेव्हलप बाय द को-इव्हॉल्युशन्स. ज्यावेळेस को-इव्हॉल्युशन होते त्यावेळेस दोन ॲनिमल्सचं किंवा दोन स्पेसिसचं एकमेकासोबत इव्हॉल्युशन होते म्हणून आपण त्याला थ्रू द को-इव्हॉल्युशन. करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज द बी, को-इव्हॉल्युशन्स. Okay, MTRPES is associated with one of the following. The correct answer is the it which are associated with the maintenance of the tiger. Option D is correct. Which of the following is a not method of enzyme immobilizations? There is not answer. These are having some confusions. Okay, 26. As a part of the circadian clock, transfer of phosphate group from adenosine triphosphate to the PER is required, and this is achieved by one of the following enzymes. The correct answer is A. Casein kinase first. 27. In lake succession, the stage are observed in the following order. Okay, उसमें lake succession मध्ये क्या होणार आहे? Oligotrophic, mesotrophic and eutrophic. It is the lake succession procedures. Okay, 27 का 7 आंसर है फर्स्ट A, option A. 28. The carrying capacity of a population is determined by its gross primary reproductions, net energy, net productions, gross uses. Okay, primary carrying capacity कशावर आपण कशा डिटरमाइन करतो? त्यांच्या net productions वर. It may be 28 answer is a net productions. 29. Chlorophyll B is distinguished from chlorophyll A by having dash group in place of the dash groups. Okay, chlorophyll A and B च्या B मध्ये chlorophyll A च्या ठिकाणी काय असणार आहे? तर answer is a C. Formyl replaced by the methyl. Correct option is a C. Formyl methyl. Okay, question number 30. The protein that are shorted. The protein that are shorted to mitochondrial matrix are dash in nature. Hydrophobic, hydrophilic, amphipathic, amphoteric. The correct option is a C. Amphipathic. Question number 21. Normal RBCs are biconcave in human and in frogs. Actually, their correct answer is the B. Nucleated in camel and enucleated in humans. Okay, camels मध्ये जे काय RBC असणार त्यामध्ये न्यूक्लियस प्रेझेंट असणार आहे, ह्युमन मध्ये न्यूक्लियस absent. 32. Question number 32. Which one of the following pair execute their functions by binding which cytoplasmic receptors? Okay, their option is correct option is estrogen and progesterone. 33. Artificial ripening of banana can be induced by. Okay, the one plant hormone are there. These are ethylene which are help to the ripening of the banana. Direct answers. Diplospory and parthenogenesis lead to development of. Diplospory and parthenogenesis lead to development of. Option D is the correct answer. Adventative embryo. Adventative embryo. 35. Which one of the following is a true combination for Kala-Azar disease? Okay, this will again ratta-mark questions. Okay, their answer is that sandfly and leishmania. 35 questions. 36 questions. Match the following and choose the correct combinations. Actually याची मॅचिंग जर आपण केली तर यामधला करेक्ट ऑप्शन येणार आहे आपला ऑप्शन नंबर बी. A3, B4, C1 and D2 is the correct answers and correct match. 37. Dash are the simplest transposable element that contain inverted repeat sequence at each end and a gene encoding transposes. The correct answer is that insertion element. Yes, किंवा insertion element is the correct option. 38. The common features of the following bacteriophages 5174O, B, N4 and P. First is actually यामधला काय असणार correct option is a D. All infect E. coli. All is infect to the E. coli. It's the correct options. 39. Question number 39. Protein synthesis in eukaryote is inhibited by. Protein synthesis in eukaryotes is inhibited by. Okay, again which are रिमेंबरिंग क्वेश्चन्स, त्यामध्ये आपला करेक्ट ऑप्शन आहे सायक्लोहेक्झामाइड्स डी. 39चा करेक्ट ऑप्शन आहे डी. 40, क्वेश्चन नंबर 40, विथ रिफरन्स टू प्लांट gynogenesis refers to, plant gynogenesis refers to कशाला आपण करतो, ऑप्शन नंबर सी इज अ करेक्ट. डेव्हलपमेंट ऑफ हॅप्लॉइड प्लांट्स फ्रॉम द एग cells of unfertilized female gametophyte in vitro conditions, these are called as the gynogenesis. Okay, question number 41, a linear DNA in a 100% label at one end and has 3 restriction sites for the EcoRI. If it is digested by the EcoRI so that possible fragments are produced, how many of these fragments will be labeled and how many non-labeled? Their correct answer is the 4 labeled and 6 unlabeled fragments are found. The correct option is A. Question number 42, inclusive fitness is a measure of the element advantage of group fitness. The correct option is B, the reproductive fitness of an organism and its relatives. Okay, correct option is a B. Question number 43. Okay, in case okay, यामध्ये क्वेश्चन नंबर 43 आपल्याला व्यवस्थित दिसत नाही, त्यामुळे आपण स्किप करू. त्याचा करेक्ट ऑप्शन आन्सर आहे डी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 44, cryopreservation is a process of, again these are a very directly questions and it is a very easy. Cryopreservation is a process of ex situ in vitro conservation. ex situ conservation आहे cryopreservation आहे, हा कसा आहे विट्रो कंडिशन्स मध्ये असते. 44 करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज द ए. क्वेश्चन नंबर 45, which of the following does not need an insect vector for the transmissions? Okay, first option is the correct. 46, hepatadenoviruses, hepatitis B virus differ from other DNA virus as their genome replications involve. हेपॅटायटिस व्हायरस हा अदर व्हायरसपेक्षा का वेगळा आहे, तर त्यांच्या जिनोम्समध्ये काय असते, रिव्हर्स ट्रान्सक्रिप्टेज. 46, क्वेश्चन नंबर 46, करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज बी, रिव्हर्स ट्रान्सक्रिप्टेज. 47, in fermenter the top portion left without broth is called, okay, head space. टॉप पोर्शनला काय असणार आहे, हेड स्पेस असणार आहे. देअर करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज अ बी, हेड स्पेस. 48, which of the following organisms get energy only by fermentative metabolisms? The correct option is the Bacillus subtilis. Bacillus and subtilis. 49, in the fertilized egg, cortical granules reactions required for the slow block polyspermy is inhibited. Okay, polyspermy, slow polyspermy कौन cause करते? Calcium is the responsible for the slow polyspermy block. Correct option is a D. Question number 50, when the velocity of enzymes activity is plotted against substrate concentration, which of the following is obtained? Which type of curve they are obtained? The hyperbolic curve will be there obtained. The correct option is A, hyperbolic curve. Question number 51, anti-cancerous drug cyclophosphamide is metabolized in the body by the glutathione reactions. What is the type of these reactions, which are oxidative type of reactions? Option D is a correct. 52, in non-competitive inhibitions, in a non-competitive inhibitions काय होते त्यामध्ये, तर ऑप्शन बी इज अ करेक्ट. Inhibitors bind at a site other than the active sites and may bind to either E or ES complex is the correct option of the 52. Okay, next question number is the 53. Mangrove swamps are found along, actually which are option correct, A is the correct, tropical and subtropical coastal lines. 54, indicate the ionic species that predominates at pH 4, 8 and 11 for the ammonia. The correct option is the A. Okay, the question number 55 is, Which of the following transcription factor act as a positioning factor for the RNA polymerase second and bind to the promoters? Which transcription factor necessary? Option C, transcription factor second D. 55 is correct answer is the option number C. 56, TI plasmids, tumor induced plasmids used in genetic engineering is obtained from. It is also directly questions. TI plasmid is always related to the Agrobacterium tumefaciens. Okay, Agrobacterium tumefaciens is also known as the genetical engineers, natural engineer. 56 answer, correct answer is the D. Which enzymes of the following is used as a marker for the lysosomal fractions? The acid phosphatase is a marker, used as a marker enzyme. 57 correct answer is the C, acid phosphatase. 58, the formation of the Z ring in a bacteria is important for सेप्टम फॉर्मेशन. बॅक्टेरियाच्या फॉर्मेशन ज्यावेळेस फॉर्मेशन होतो त्यामुळे जो सेप्टा सेंटरला जो सेप्टा फॉर्मेशन होतो सेप्टम फॉर्मेशनसाठी झेड रिंग इज अ व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट. द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज द ए. ओके. 59, which of the following is not true of spermatogenesis? Which of the following is not true for the spermatogenesis? And their correct option is D. Differentiations of the gamete occur while in diploid during the first meiotic prophase. It is a wrong. Okay, question number 60. Question number 60. A population of a cell grow in adherent cultures contain 0.4 mg proteins per 10 to the power 6 cells. Actin comprises 4.56 of the 4.5 percentage of the total protein. Given the MR of action is the 42,000 Dalton and the Avogadro's number is 6.02 into 10 to the power 23. Which of the following equal the mean number of the action molecules per cell? The correct option is the C, 2.58 into 10 to the power 8 actin molecules. They are correct options. Question number 61. Which of the following is a natural dye obtained from the plant? Where are these are a correct option is the hematoxylin is the natural dye obtained from the plant. Question number 62. The groups which are evolved from more than one ancestor are known as polyphyletic. Option number C is the correct, polyphyletic. Question number 63. Which of the following is an example of symmetrical animal? Okay, these are star questions because something technical issue in these questions. It is a star questions. Okay. 64. Which of the following chemicals mutagens are incorporated into the genomes by the DNA polymerase during the genome replications? Okay, हे म्युटेशन कशामुळे होतं? बेस एनालॉग्स मुळे. देअर करेक्ट आन्सर इज अ बी, बेस एनालॉग्स. Question number 65. Progesterone. Progesterone is option B is correct. Play a major role in preparing the uterus of implantations. Progesterone's main work त्यामध्ये आहे. Option B is correct. Question number 66. When somatic cell of ovule directly form embryos, the phenomena is called as. Okay, same questions आपण पहिला पाहिलेला आहे तोच क्वेश्चन आहे. असा ऑप्शन करेक्ट आहे ए, adventative embryony. Adventative embryony is the correct answer. Question number 67. Globin synthesis is the absence of heme in RBC is regulated by the phosphorylations of the factor. 67th question number, the correct answer is option B. EIF2, eukaryotic initiation factor 2 is the correct options. 68. Question number 68. In anaerobic glycolysis, 2 moles of inorganic phosphate are used per mole of the glucose consumed. Which of the following enzymes catalyze the uptake of inorganic phosphate? The correct option is C. Glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate dehydrogenase is the correct option. Question number 69. When oxygen react with Rubisco enzymes, the following product will be formed. Okay, ऑक्सिजन ज्यावेळेस रुबिस्को सोबत रिॲक्शन करतो त्यावेळेस कोणता प्रोडक्ट फॉर्मेशन होतो? 3-phosphoglycerate and 2-phosphoglycolate. It is the formation of the 16 questions. A is the correct answer. Question number 70. Which one of the following is a functional excretory unit of cephalochordata? The correct option is the nephridia. Question number 71. Weissman proposed the theory. Weissman proposed the theory. Option is the correct option is the A. Continuity of germplasm. Germplasm theory which are proposed by the Weissman's proposed the theory. 72. RAPD marker is. It is a dominant marker. It is not a directly questions. RAPD is the dominant marker. 73. Which of the following chromosomal aberrations result in the formation of the dicentric and acentric chromosomes? कोणता असणार आहे यामध्ये इन्व्हर्शन्स? पॅरासेंट्रिक इन्व्हर्शन्स. ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर question number 73. The correct option is the first, paracentric inversions. Question number 74. Their answer is the 3. Question number 75. If a woman having a blood group A with AO genotypes married a man having a blood group B, BB genotypes, the expected proportions of heterozygote among their children is. The correct option is 100%. Question number 76. Type of migration where marine fishes migrate to fresh water from their reproduction is. Actually, this migration is known as a andromous. 76 question number, correct answer option number A. Andromous is the correct option. Question number 77. The propeller twist in B form of DNA is approximately. Propeller twist in B form DNA मध्ये किती असणार आहे approximately? Option C is the correct, 36 angstrom किंवा degree. 78. Question number 78. The protein binding site in DNA can be identified by the following experiment. कोणत्या एक्सपेरिमेंट नुसार आपण प्रोटीन बाइंडिंग साइट्स आयडेंटिफाय करतो? DNA footprinting. Okay, option A is the correct, DNA footprinting. 79. Question number 79. Noble Lurete Barbara McClintock observe frequent breakage of maize chromosomes 9 due to which one of the following transposons? कोणत्या ट्रान्सपोजम्स मुळे ब्रेक होतो क्रोमोझोम्स? ACDS activator dissociator elements. Correct option is the B. Question number 80. Red green color blindness is an example of X-linked recessive. It's again a directly questions. X-linked recessive is the correct option. Question number 81. Sodium dodecyl sulfate SDS is used while separating protein by polyacrylamide gel electrophoresis because it helps in solubilization of the protein, making it easier to separate its bind to the protein and offer a uniform negative charge density, therefore making them move during the electrophoresis, decrease surface tension area buffer, stabilizing protein. The correct option is the B. Question number 82. Cytocholine's D inhibit the formation of microfilament. Which of the following biological activities will not be hydrate? Muscles contraction, cytosolic transport of vesicles. The correct option is the B. Cytosolic transportation of the vesicles blockage त्यामध्ये होते. 83. Which one of the following statements for the genetic drift is false? Genetic drift साठी कोणता स्टेटमेंट फॉल्स आहे? तर ऑप्शन बी इज द फॉल्स. जेनेटिक ड्रिफ्ट कॅन लीड टू रिचनेस ऑफ जेनेटिक व्हेरिएशन्स विच पॉप्युलेशन्स, असं काही होत नाही, त्यामुळे जेनेटिक ड्रिफ्ट इज अ फॉल्स. 84. According to Oparin, which of the following was not present in the primitive atmosphere of the earth? ऑफकोर्स यामध्ये काय असला पाहिजे? ऑक्सिजन असला पाहिजे. मिथेन, हायड्रोजन्स, water. Okay, oxygen is not present that times. 85. Life is said to have oriented as a co-concern that were formed by. ॲक्च्युली काय लाईफ ओरिजिनेटेड त्यावेळेस काय झालं? पॉलिमरायझेशन आणि ॲग्रिगेशन्स त्यावेळेस झालं डीएनएच्या आधी. देअर करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज द पॉलिमरायझेशन अँड ॲग्रिगेशन्स. 86. Question number 86. When taxon is restricted to a particular geographical regions, then it is called as a endemic. Okay, it is a option A is the correct. 87. Severe combined immunodeficiency, SCID, mice do not have B and T cells. The correct option is the B and T cells. Question number 88. The lichen Rocella is source of dyes. Lichen Rocella पासून आपण काय करतो तयार? मॅक्झिमम डायस तयार करतो. करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज द B, dyes. 89. Seasonal activity of cambium leads to ring porous wood. Seasonal activity मध्ये तो कॅम्बियम काय करतो? रिंग porous wood formation करतो. म्हणून 89 correct option is the A. Question number 90. Cytoplasmic male sterility occurs as a result of interactions of nucleus and mitochondria. 90 is correct option is D, nucleus and mitochondria. Question number 91. The enzymes acetyl coenzyme carboxylase belong to which class of enzymes? Again, हा एक्झाम्स काय करतो? लिगेज करतो. ओके, द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज डी, लिगेज. अकॉर्डिंग टू Vavilov, mango, Nobel, canes, rice and brinjals are some of the crop plants originated in हिंदुस्तान सेंटर. ओके, ह्या सगळे कुठे आहेत? हिंदुस्तान सेंटर मध्ये ओरिजिनेटेड झालेले. करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ए. 93. Which of the following technique is best for the determination the precise location of the radioactive isotopes located in the specimens? ओके, स्पेसिमेन्स मध्ये रेडिओएक्टिव्ह आयसोटोप असेल त्यांना आपण कसे लोकेट करतो किंवा त्यांना कसं आयडेंटिफाय करतो? तर कशाचे यूज करून? द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज सी, ऑटो रेडिओग्राफी. ओके, इथं चुकून डी ला हायलाइट झालं, त्याचं करेक्ट ऑप्शन आहे सी, ऑटो रेडिओग्राफी. ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर 93 इज करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज द ऑटो रेडिओग्राफी. Question number 94. In a bacterial glucose phosphotransferase system, glucose is converted to the glucose 6-phosphate. What is the source of phosphates? Actually, their correct option is the C, phosphoenol pyruvates, PEP. Phosphoenol pyruvates. The next question number is 95. The end product of adenosine monophosphate AMP and guanosine monophosphate GMP catabolites in the normal human is actually यामध्ये काय होतं? युरिक ॲसिड फॉर्मेशन होते या दोन्ही रिॲक्शन्स मधून. द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज द डी, युरिक ॲसिड्स. 96. Question 96. Which one of the following bound is protein have a partial double bound characters? तर कोणता असणार आहे? ऑप्शन डी, पार्शियल डबल बाउंड्स मध्ये सी अँड एन मध्ये बाउंड फॉर्मेशन होणार आहे. करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज द डी. 97. When a bacteria growing at a 20 degrees Celsius are transformed to the 40 degrees Celsius, they are most likely to synthesize a membrane lipid which more with a more कशा त्यामध्ये काय फॉर्मेशन होणार आहे? 97 करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज बी, लॉंग चेन सॅच्युरेटेड फॅटी ॲसिड त्याच्या बॅक्टेरियाच्या मेम्ब्रेन मध्ये फॉर्मेशन होणार आहे. करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज द बी. ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर 98. The type of microscopy we will use to examine bacteria that are stained by gram staining procedures. कोणता मायक्रोस्कोप आपण यूज करतो? ब्राइट फील्ड मायक्रोस्कोप. करेक्ट आंसर इज ए. 98th correct option is A, bright field microscopy. Question number 99. Mesenteries are found in triploblastic animals. Mesentery are found in triploblastic animals मध्ये तो पाहायला भेटतो. Question number 100. In a DNA sequence, a nucleotide A is replaced by the nucleotide G. The result of mutation will be the कोणता म्युटेशन असणार आहे? फ्रेम शिफ्ट, missense or transitions. The correct option is the transversions, A. 100 question number correct option is the A, transversion. So friends, तर बायोलॉजी किंवा लाईफ सायन्सेस या विषयातील अशाच वेगवेगळ्या कन्सेप्टसाठी माहितीसाठी सबस्क्राईब करा RN बायोलॉजी यूट्यूब चॅनल्स, लाईक करा अँड शेअर करा. सो थँक यू.